A warm welcome to all. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. It gives me immense pleasure to talk about this auspicious occasion. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti as one of the great national holidays all over the India, as well as remember his gorgeous deeds on the way to our Indian independence from British rule. Gandhi Jayanti is known as the International Day for Non-Violence and Peace across the country.
Today is 2nd October, the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. This is the 151st birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. It is a non-violence day in India. We pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi in his memorial at Rajpath, Delhi. On this day, people offer prayer tributes not only in India but across the world. The greatest tribute we could give our great leader to practice non-violence and to love every human irrespective of caste and creed. Mahatma Gandhi was the biggest and great patriotic in India. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat state. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born in pre-independent India when the British rule had become ruthless and cunning, putting millions of Indians through immense pain. He is father of the nation and people called Bapu. His father name is Karamchand Gandhi and mother name is Putli Bai. He is married Kasturba Gandhi and they had 4 sons. Gandhiji studied law from the University of London. Gandhiji completed his early studies in British rule India and then went on to pursue law in England. After practicing law in South Africa, he returned to India in 1915 as a barrister and took part in the struggle for freedom. So he imprisoned several times. Under his guidance, we became free on 15th August 1947. He did not like that the great nation of India was a colony ruled by British, but he did not want a violent war to decide the outcome of the nation. Gandhiji deeply believed in non-violence and he led the independence struggle of India with peaceful protests which were well thought out and incredibly effective. His firm implementation of his beliefs on such a massive political scale and its effectiveness out the world. It's simple to say one is non-violent personality, but to apply such a thought to create major change at such a large level was unheard of before. Hence, he was given the title of Mahatma. Mahatma means great soul. He led important movements like Champaran Satyagraha, Non-Cooperation Movement, Salt Satyagraha, and Quit India Movement. Truth and Ahimsa were the guiding principle of his life. Gandhiji was one of the greatest contributors to India's freedom movement and his methods for achieving it shaped the country greatly. He is even called the father of nation. That is why his legacy is honored not only in India but all over the world. Gandhi Jayanti is marked by prayer services and tributes all over India. Gandhi's favorite bhajan, Raghupati Raghav Rajaram, is usually sung in his memory. Gandhiji was a faithful supporter of non-violence, truth and peace. His speech is not enough to speak about Mahatma Gandhi values and deeds, but we as the future of the country can honor him by living our life with his principles of truth, peace and non-violence and lead our country to an incredible nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.